Christine Pocarella, and I want to lose 25 to 30 pounds. The reason I want to lose those is not just to be thin, but to be healthy and to set a good example for my daughter, because she's the reason I'm here right now.
And that daughter, that little 8-year-old daughter, really touched my heart. Why don't you just tell that story?
Well, my daughter is 8 years old, and she really is like my little best friend. She's under my feet all the time, and she went to Camp Marydale this summer for a week. And when she got back, I was really excited and asked her, how was your trip, that kind of stuff, and the first thing out of her mouth was, I lost weight. And that's when it hit me. You have all this stuff around you, all these things that can entertain you, and what was your biggest concern was losing weight. And I realized that was me reflecting upon her, my issues about weight and watching what I eat, that kind of stuff. So I realized at that point that I can't diet anymore. It needs to be a lifestyle change. So I set a good example for her.
Oh, great.
So.
Good. What do you hope to learn with hypnosis?
I'd like to learn peace. Inner peace would be the biggest thing, just a confidence with myself, and to kind of stop. I read everything that you had given me, and to just stop those cravings, because I battle with that little voice in my head all the time, so I want it to be on my side.
You mean my confession?
Yes.
You read?
Yes.
I was just like you.
Yes, exactly.
When I read your story, I said, oh, we're just alike.
Well, what's funny is as I'm eating my ice cream, reading
Right,
your
you're
thing,
thinking about that.
Right, exactly.
Well, 40 pounds ago, 17 years ago, I carried that around, and self-hypnosis helped me change my life, and that's what this journey is all about. So I'm really excited that you're one of the participants.
Well, thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you. I'm glad to be here. I'm excited about the journey.
Good.